Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Analytics tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to group your AI traffic in Google Analytics 4. We're going to go straight to the point, but before we go there, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So we are going to log into our Google Analytics. We're going to go to reports, and the first thing we need to do is to go under traffic acquisition report. When you go to traffic acquisition report, you are going to notice that under the default channel group here, there is no channel that is called AI. AI now is going to go under referral, maybe unassigned, is going to be distributed across the existing channels. I don't want this to happen. I want to group all the AI traffic together, maybe create a channel that is called AI tools here. It's very easy to do, but before we go to create the channel, we need to change the dimension and go under session source / medium, because the first thing I need to do is I need to understand what are the tools, the AI tools that are driving traffic to my website. And here I can see, for example, ChatGPT, I can see Perplexity. One thing you can do is you can use the search bar. You can type, for example, ChatGPT, and then you're going to see certain entries. You are going to type maybe Perplexity, and then you're going to see some other entries. You're going to type Gemini, you're going to see some other entries, or maybe you can type .ai, and then you're going to see some other entries here, like black box, mammouth, and so forth. You need to make a note of all the sources that are relevant to AI tools, and maybe all the potential sources that maybe in the future will drive traffic to your website. Once you make a note of everything that is AI and currently is driving traffic in your website, or all the AI tools that may in the future drive traffic to your website, we are going to go to admin, and we are going to scroll down and select channel groups. And we are going to click on create a new channel group. We're going to name this group updated channel group. You can give it whatever name you like. And here we're going to say we want to add a new channel. We're not going to change any of these channels. We're going to add a new channel. And we're going to call this channel AI tools. Now we're going to click to add condition group, and we need to give the condition. So we need to say to the system, when the source, and I'm going to say here, contains, for example, ChatGPT, then I want you to take this traffic and group it under AI tools. And then I'm going to say, or the source contains, and then we're going to say Perplexity. We need to make sure we don't make spelling mistakes. Then I want to take this traffic and group it under the channel that is called AI tools. Or when the source, for example, contains, let's say, Gemini, I want you to do the same. Or when the source contains, for example, let's say, contains .ai. Why I'm going always with contains and I don't choose something else? Because there is no contains regular expression. So we can't choose exactly matches regular expression, but we are going to make our lives hard. So we're going to go with a simple solution. Long story short, I hope you get what we're doing here. So we are saying when the source contains any of these words, I want you to take this traffic and group it under a channel whose name is AI tools. And we're going to save the channel now. We're going to save the channel group. And here we go. Now we have updated channel group. What we're going to do now is we're going to go back to our report. We're going to go back to our traffic acquisition report, because now you're going to see that I will be able to select this new updated channel group. So we're going to go here to our traffic acquisition report. I'm going to click here on the drop-down menu. I'm going to select session updated channel group, which is what we just created now. And now you're going to see here that in my updated channel group, we have AI tools here. So this is AI tools. So now I have a channel basically which is called AI tools. And the beauty of what we did now is that this dimension that is called session updated channel group is something that we can use in Looker Studio, something that we can use in freeform reports, something that we can use in filters, in other reports, for example. So now we basically grouped all the AI traffic under AI tools. Now, some of you may say, that's great. First of all, I need a list of all the AI tools that may be driving traffic to my website. I did my best to compile this list in the video description, so you can scroll down. Maybe you can check the list I created, and you can use this list to create the condition for your own AI tools channel group. The next thing is, what if, for example, we discover in the process, as we're using Google Analytics, that there are some other AI tools that we didn't include in the beginning when we created this channel group. In this case, you can always go to admin. You can always go to channel groups here, and you can click on updated channel group. You can go and find AI tools, and you can come here and you can add more conditions. And if you are a little bit more advanced, then instead of actually doing what I'm doing here, which is the simplest way to actually create this channel, you can say matches, for example, regular expression, for example, or partially matches regular expression. You can play with something that is a bit more advanced. I don't think you should do that, because in the end of the day, we want to do the job, and the task here is how can we group the traffic that is coming from AI tools. And that's it. So now you have this new dimension. It's called updated channel group. You can again use it for any report inside Google Analytics. You can use it as a filter. You can use it in Looker Studio. And that's how easy it is to group the AI traffic that is coming to your website in just one channel group, so that you can easily monitor what is happening basically on your website. That's it for today. I hope it was useful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.